Hey everybody, if you've been using Design AI and you're wondering, where did my old photos go? Or how do I keep using my same character? I've got you covered today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal and my channel is At Home with Crystal. Here, I share all the fun things I do at home. One of those things is learning AI and teaching beginners how to quickly get started with my beginner-friendly quickies. So, if you've been working and creating your consistent character in the tool design but can't seem to find them, no worries. You don't have to recreate those pictures or those scenes that you've already created, even if you forgot to download them. Design will actually store them for you. So I'm going to teach you how in this beginner-friendly quickie. So let's get started. So first things first, you want to locate your design in on your Google or whatever search engine you use. I use I use Google. So you want to locate the home tab. So here's the home tab and it actually looks like a house. You want to click on the home tab. Once you click the home tab, it's going to load and then you're going to see my cursor moving. Move all the way over to where it says view all projects. Click on the view all projects. And now, voila, here you'll see every image and video that you've ever made. So I have mine sorted by last modified, if you noticed here by the sort. But if you click on, you can alphabetize them or put them in the date that you created them. I like to keep it at last modified because typically that's the ones that you're going to be working with. So I leave mine set to last modified. But if you're wondering how do you rename them, if you toggle over each one of these and you see the three dots that come up, if you click on these three dots, see right there, you can click on rename, or you can move this if you have folders set up. Real-time video. You can rename them if you like, or you could just leave them as they are. I simply click on it, but before I click on it, if you notice here how this one says 5 items, this one has 8 items. This lets you know how many variations or things that you've done in this particular video. For instance, this may be 5 photos that I created or 5 videos. Okay, so once you open it up, let's choose this one. So once you open it up, and it'll take just a few seconds, not even minutes, just a few seconds. And then you'll see right over here on the right hand side, you'll see that I had created this image to video. I could replay that and I still have the option to download it. If I scroll down, I'll see more videos that I created, more images that I created. And look, even with the images, you can click on the image and you still have the option to insert a character. You have the option to create a video using this photo, add lip sync, do a face swap, just like you did before, because like I said, design will house these items for you. So these are all of the 8 items that we saw listed on that beginning page as to where I started from. And you can see it. It just saves them. It's just a matter of what pictures you chose in the beginning using your consistent characters. So let's go back to the house, which is the home key. If you don't see your projects when you click view all projects, you're probably not logged into your account. See, I'm logged into my account, Bling CEO, and I am paying for a paid subscription at the creator level, which is very inexpensive. I never use this amount of credits, and you could decide for yourself which option you need to use, but I hope this helps you. So I found out the hard way. I hope this made it easier for you. If you want to rewatch this video so you can follow along next time or get started creating your projects, I've added a clickable link below and you can go directly to the design website. So you don't have to worry about if you're in the right one or not. So if you have not created your consistent character though, and you want me to make a beginner-friendly quickie on how to do that, leave me a comment and I'll do just that. So once again, if this helped you, give it a like, Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll be sure to create more beginner-friendly, quickie AI tips with me, Crystal, while I'm at home.